Hi, boys and girls. I'm back with you today for another story. Today, the story I brought with me is Pete the Cat, The Wheels on the Bus. And this was based on the creation of James Dean. All right, so let's see what Pete's Wheels on the Bus sounds like. And feel free to sing along with me while we read. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 the horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all day long. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all day long. I wonder what's next. Oh, it's the signal. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 all day long. That's a new one for me. I haven't heard that one in the song before. All right, next up, the motor on the bus. The motor on the bus goes zoom, 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 zoom. The motor on the bus goes zoom, 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 all day long. Next is the door. The door on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut all day long. I didn't know Pete knows how to drive the bus. Okay, now it's the kitties on the bus. The kitties on the bus say, "Come on, Pete, come on, Pete, come on, Pete." The kitties on the bus say, "Come on, Pete," all day long. Now it's the driver says, "Move on back." The driver on the bus says, "Move on back, move on back, move on back." The driver on the bus says, "Move on back," all day long. Oh, next it's Pete's friends. They say, "Sit with us." That's fun. Pete's friends on the bus say, "Sit with us, sit with us, sit with us." Pete's friends on the bus say, "Sit with us all day long." Pete has a dog on his bus too. I've never seen a dog on a school bus before. Oh, here we go. The back of the bus bumps up and down, up and down, up and down. The back of the bus bumps up and down all day long. The kitties on the bus go, "Pete the cat, Pete the cat, Pete the cat." The kitties on the bus go, "Pete the cat," all day long. The dog on the bus goes woof, 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 woof. The dog on the bus goes woof, 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 all day long. The cats on the bus shout, "Let's rock out, let's rock out, let's rock out." The cats on the bus shout, let's rock out all day long. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. And that, boys and girls, is almost the end. All day long. Well, it looks like Pete is such a fun bus driver. There are lots of different things that his bus does. All right, I had fun reading about Pete's Wheels on the Bus with you today. I hope you have a good rest of your day. I'll see you next time. Bye.